Now, from your weather authority, meteorologist Cody Bailey.
Well, we do face a couple of rounds of potentially strong to severe storms. Not a guarantee that everyone sees the activity. That's certainly the case this evening. Slightly better chance of maybe some more area-wide activity later tomorrow evening with that secondary chance of some strong to severe storms. Both carry at least a slight risk. Today it's a level 1 to 2, marginal to a slight risk. Tomorrow the entire tri-state under that slight level 2 risk. We'll detail that here in just a moment, but here's what we're looking at for, again, the first of a couple of waves moving through right now, at least our southwestern counties. That will be through this evening. The next wave comes through tomorrow evening along another line of strong to severe storms that both bring the potential for damaging winds, maybe some large hail. Also can't rule out some isolated tornadoes as well. A tornado watch remains in effect for our far northern counties along US 50 in Indiana. That's Knox, Davies, and Martin counties until 1 o'clock Eastern time in the morning. Otherwise, it's quiet across the rest of the tri-state in terms of the alerts, but we are getting quite the light show in northern Saline County as this cluster of strong storms approaches the far southwestern and western fringe of the viewing area. We also see a little development trying to get going there north of Carmi, approaching Grayville in northern White County. Not nearly as impressive as what we're seeing down to the south, just north of the city of Harrisburg. This activity is moving to the east. Now, our future tracker models, which we'll show you here in just a moment, continue to show this kind of evolving into still somewhat of a broken line, but does grow it into the Evansville metro later this evening. We're not really seeing that just yet, but that is the trend that at least our guidance continues to suggest as we go into the rest of this evening. So here's a closer look at that area of heavy rain, cluster of quite a bit of lightning as well, but no special weather statement. You can see off the corner of your screen that orange polygon. That's a special weather statement, kind of a level below a severe thunderstorm. So it's not a severe storm, but there is no special weather statement for this part of the storm just yet. Again, we'll watch if anything continues to try and develop further to the north. That would bring the risk into the Evansville metro if that materializes. Outside right now, though, nothing for the immediate metro area. It's looking towards the Blue Bridge along downtown Owensboro from our Bill Morgan roofing tower camera. On the Warwick-Vanderbilt County line, high atop of Deaconess Gateway, that's our Diamond Valley Federal Credit Union tower camera looking towards the west. Some darker clouds, but again, we're not really seeing any development approaching the kind of heart of the tri-state at this time. We're still at 86, but that dew point 74. Very humid this afternoon and this evening with a little bit of a help from the south-southwest wind between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures for the most part right now 80 to 85, of course, with Evansville that exception at 86 degrees. If any rain moves through, of course, that's going to help knock things down a notch as well. Tornado watch again primarily concerned for central Indiana, and then down to the south another watch box where that other area of the slight risk continues as well. And we're kind of sandwiched in between those two areas, the bullseye, if you will, for the Storm Prediction Center that pretty much has areas along and north of I-64 this evening under that slight level 2. The rest of us under the marginal level 1 with isolated damaging wind gusts, maybe a brief spin-up tornado. Again, not too concerned with that this evening. Tomorrow, the entire tri-state under that slight level 2 threat for, once again, maybe an isolated tornado, mainly hail and damaging winds as that line moves through. So here's what we're expecting for the rest of this evening. As I mentioned, Future Tracker continues to show as this moves to the east, that boundary growing to the north and northeast, and then pushing out of the tri-state. Not too late of an event for us tonight. I think by 10 to 11 o'clock, the tri-state is clear of any potential for severe storms. Then as we head into tomorrow, a little bit later into the evening. So we could have a cluster during the afternoon, very isolated storm chance during the daytime hours. Late tomorrow night, that's where we have that potential for some severe storms. But it's later than what we're dealing with this evening. Here we are, 9 o'clock, still quiet, but that line approaching our far northwestern counties into the Evansville area between about 11 to 11:30, and our eastern counties by midnight to 1 a.m. So again, it will be likely weakening as it shifts east of Highway 41 tomorrow night, but it is looking a little bit later into the evening hours compared to what we're dealing with right now. Nothing severe early next week, but just some leftover showers as we head into the early part of our Monday, and then we turn less humid just in time for a very pleasant Tuesday, 86, no humidity. Then we watch another system, scattered showers and storms. We could once again see some strong to severe storms with that system later Wednesday, a few showers and storms continuing into Thursday, then hot and humid on Friday before another cold front moves through, dropping the humidity just in time for a beautiful start to next weekend on Saturday.